their strength against them. All right, enough. You made your point. Maybe I'm not DEO material after all. I think I know why my cousin prefers to work alone.
Danvers.
I hate that you made me do it.
Thank you. You can save the system money.
Why are you walking like that? I took your advice to get my head out of the clouds. The kickboxing class, I'm a little sore. Supergirl failure to launch. I don't need you to read it to me. I wrote it. Get it to copy for the new posting. I don't get it. Why do you keep criticizing Supergirl for trying to save the city? When Superman started... Him. I am so sick of hearing about the Man of Steel. Every woman worth her salt knows that we have to work twice as hard as a man to be thought of as half as good. Well, she did rescue our plane. Yes, which she ditched bobbing in a bay. Engineers are working around the clock trying to remove it. She saved that tanker from exploding.